Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. So in this video, I'm going to talk about an art that emerged long back in 15th century. So without any further ado, let's dive in. In the world obsessed with the idea of perfection, this particular art is emphasizing the idea of imperfection. So the art that I'm referring to is kintsugi. So before talking about the art and how it looks like and all of that, I would like to talk about its history. So long back in 15th century, a shogun named Ashikaga Yoshimasa got his favorite bowl broken. So what he did was he literally wanted the beauty to be restored. So he gave it for a repair. And when he got it back after repair, he literally felt that the beauty of the tea ball has lost. So he took a second try. It's like he gave to another craftsman, adding that it's his favorite bowl and he wanted the beauty to be restored. This craftsman did a try, and that's where this particular art form emerged, kintsugi. So if you would like, you could just browse and look at this, look at the image of this art. It's like the breakage, the scars, everything are very much evident. When we look, we can understand that the particular art had got into a damage and later the beauty was restored. And I would say that other than when comparing to a well structured, complete feeling bowl, this has some added beauty. It's like the craftsman, when coming back to the history, what he did was he collected the broken pieces of this pottery, and it's like he tried to fix it with a sort of a lacquer named uruzi lacquer with gold powder. So to talk about art in general, it is believed that if you spend more time, like 10 to 15 minutes extra time looking at an art, you could find some underlying meaning. It's like symbolic references. So it's like this particular art form, if you look at it, the pottery is like the cracks, the damages that once caused to it is very much evident. Nothing is hidden. It's like the cracks, everything is visible, but the way it got fixed is something that is beautifying it. It's like how the craftsman added the gold powder to fix it and all of that. And I literally felt that it's symbolically telling a few things. It's like, first thing is it appreciates slow progress. So the way the craftsman slowly tried to collect every broken pieces and fix it, that too while fixing he adds golden powder, and he doesn't change its form, but he's okay with exposing the damage and how it's done and all of that. The next thing is that it appreciates the idea of imperfection. It's okay to be imperfect, and accepting imperfection, and even it also adds that even imperfection has its own beauty. So this art form emphasizes that even broken things are not useless. So likewise, kintsugi is known for slow-paced progress, acceptance, and finding beauty in imperfection. So that's all for today. For more updates, stay tuned to my channel just by clicking over the subscribe button. Thank you.